I am back on the bike after a very long time. And I apologize for that. But since it's been so long and I'm extremely rusty on the bike, I'm actually going to focus on riding. I'm not going to talk while I'm riding. I'm just going to do all voiceover for this video, starting now. I'm finally back, and I'm so sorry I've been gone for so many months. I've just been really busy with people and activities on the weekends these days. I live in San Francisco now, and I've been focused on spending more time with people, and that has taken up a lot of time, which is a good thing, but it has admittedly made it difficult to focus on riding and video making. But this trip brought back my passion for it, and I can't wait to do more. Away we go! For this ride, I decided to delve into what I've been working on for my job. I cover the San Joaquin Valley for work, and right now the landscape of the valley is changing rapidly as it is inundated by historic amounts of water from a string of atmospheric rivers that slammed the state over the past few months.
On to California now, where the latest round of storms that has battered that state has now turned deadly.
This morning, a worst-case scenario. Northern California's Pajaro River levee failing. 100-foot rupture sending water downstream, flooding homes and farmland.
Lake Success in Tulare County is now 8% over its designated water level, currently measuring at 108% of capacity.
I'm riding all the way down to Tulare County, and there my plan is to investigate the Tulare Lake bed, part of the valley that's receiving a lot of floodwater right now. The Tulare Lake was the largest natural freshwater lake west of the Mississippi. It was there during the Ice Age when woolly mammoths traversed the West, and it was a critical piece of life for the indigenous nations that were here before genocide and colonization. But more than 100 years ago, farmers started seizing land in the valley and drastically changing the landscape to foster large-scale agriculture. They drained the entire lake, dammed the rivers, and diverted water into canals that crisscrossed the entire state until the San Joaquin Valley became one of the most engineered, manipulated landscapes in the country. But Mother Nature cannot be tamed forever, even in the 21st century. And in the rare extreme flood year, the over-engineered infrastructure holding the natural watersheds in check is overwhelmed. And that's what's happening right now. The sheer volume of water that has come down from the Sierra Nevada mountains turned major rivers like the Kaweah, Tule, and Kings into raging, swollen highways of unstoppable force. People have lost homes and farms as the rivers moved where they wanted. The historic level of water and snowmelt have also brought back to life mostly forgotten smaller creeks and rivers that have sat dry and dormant for years. The Pozo Creek, Deer Creek, and White River, for a long time dry, barely visible scars on the parched landscape, are now seething, overflowing powerhouses of water gushing toward communities and farmland. Many of these waterways in the Southern Valley lead to the lake bed. It's where they naturally want to deposit. And so the Tulare Lake is coming back, piece by piece. This has happened before in 1969 and 1983, also historic flood years. But the snowpack this year is even greater than those years, and we may be in store for even more severe flooding. At the time of making this video, the Southern Sierra snowpack was at 302% of normal for this time of year. That means the flooding we've seen so far could pale in comparison to later in the spring and into the summer, when that extraordinary amount of snow melts and flows down into the valley. Now we're out in the fields, heading east into the valley and into the Tulare Lake bed. Now this is a cool ride. The entire road to myself, surrounded by marsh and fields, with the snow-covered Sierra Nevada mountains in the distance. This is the San Joaquin Valley motorcycle ride I've been wanting. Okay, so that road is closed. But we are going this way. So hopefully this will get us to where we need to go. Alright, we're coming through the town of Alpaugh, which is one of the small communities in the Tulare Lake bed. I've never been here before, but we're just riding through for right now. This is the small town of Alpaugh, one of the lake bed communities that was recently under an evacuation order because of the encroaching floodwater. The flooding has calmed here for the time being, and the evacuation order was downgraded to a warning, but people are worried for what's to come in spring when the snow melts. According to experts, the best-case scenario is sustained flooding similar to what we saw earlier this season. CAL FIRE has teamed up with county emergency services along with other assisting agencies to provide emergency response and preparation on the ground.
Eat worms, baby. So essentially, you know what I'm saying, we got the shovel, he's putting it in the bag, we have our tire, and then the fourth person will be me carrying the bags over there. And essentially as people come up to get bags, we'll send 4 of us over there, people that's picking up bags, and load them up and then come back over here and get them.
And these are for residents, right?
Yes sir, residents, businesses, anybody who pretty much needs sandbags, we're here to help.
How many sandbags do you think you've made since you've been out in the valley?
Thousands of bags, from super sacks to the small bags. I would say thousands, a lot. All
Nice.
day, just making bags.
CAL FIRE said I could go this way, so I don't know. Oh yeah, dodging potholes. Soaking up the bumps. Oh my God, we're in the dirt now. There's shorebirds around. Where has this taken me? I'm gonna probably drop the bike here. Uh-huh. Backwards. And it's totally okay if I drop the bike. By the way, not going to get upset about it. Yeah, there we go. Slowly. If I just maybe go straight up this road, that's what he was saying, I guess, and then you have to kind of, I don't know. I'll try it. You can see we're in some flooding area here. Shouldn't be a problem. It's just wet. But we are getting out into this flooded areas. So I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to do out here. But CAL FIRE did tell me I could get to Tulare this way. Tulare is the town that I'm staying in. Look at this. So we'll see. We'll see how far I can go. I can go this way to get out and to the town that I'm staying in. But it's not what I want to do yet. So I'm going to go up. Wow, look at all this. Flooded. Completely flooded. So I'm going to go up and try to get over. I need to go out that way. But it's completely closed right there. That guy said you can't go down that road. This whole dairy right here is flooded out. So we'll see what I can find here. Oh. I really don't want to disobey signs. Let's try flying the drone right here. Hey, how you doing?
Good. Travels the world?
I mean, not really. Travel California.
Oh, okay. There's a guy I saw that was going like driving through from here to Brazil or...
Oh, Charlie?
Well, you know what I'm
Cinnamon?
talking about?
That crazy guy? Yeah.
A bike like yours?
Yeah, he's got like 1 million followers.
Yeah.
No, I wish that was me. No. No, I am trying to get drone shots of like the ocean part of the flooding, you know? But I don't know where to go. I know there's a lot up near Corcoran.
Yeah, Corcoran's about 3 miles that way.
Can I go up this way?
I don't know. You would have to ask her. Because,
Okay.
And they say the water's like almost up to my...
Oh, that. I can't do that.
Call it to the rail. Yeah, almost to the...
No. I gotta figure out how to get like kind of nearby but on dry roads.
Yeah.
I'll ask her and see.
Yeah,
If not.
I might let you do that.
All right. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Hi, how you doing? Is there a way to get up to Corcoran without going out to the 5?
This way. Yeah,
Okay, this way's totally flooded.
yeah, the bike would never make it through there.
Can I go up a little ways to get pictures up there at least? Or you're not allowed to let anyone by?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Is there a way to get around that way? Are people going that way?
I've seen people go that way. I don't honestly know where that leads. I'm normally in Tulare area, not over here.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
I have no idea where this goes. The sheriff didn't know. That private security guy didn't know, so I'm just gonna try it. I think other people are going this way. But maybe, just maybe, I can skirt these closed sections and get up to more of the lake that's formed. That's my goal right now. But at least I know where to go to get back, to get to Tulare, where I'm going for dinner and to stay for the night. So, oh boy. Well, everyone's waving at me, so I think I'm okay. Look at this. Look at these roads. See what happens down here. That'd be funny if that lady was just like, what are you doing? Yeah, this is all flooded out. Probably used to be dairies, I guess. Alright, time to go to Tulare and find this restaurant I want to try, which unfortunately closes in an hour and a half. So, if this route doesn't work, it's probably not going to make it. We'll see. I made it to the restaurant 20 minutes before they closed, and the GoPro stopped working, as it often does, right before the restaurant. I rode to the Airbnb I'm staying at dusk. It was pretty nice. Good morning. So, it's time for day 2. Gonna head out, get gas, and go to my next location before heading back home. Jeez, look at these pups. Beautiful day. There we go. Whew. Nice. Look at that. There's the lake.